Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make Cracker Barrel pancakes. So in this tutorial, we'll be using Mirlandra's recipe because it got 595 votes and 4.12 stars out of 5 overall. Let's go over the ingredients. So you need 2 cups flour, 2 teaspoons baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons granulated sugar, 2 eggs, and 2 1/3 cups low-fat buttermilk, and regular butter for cooking. And then let's go over the instructions. So first, you must preheat the pancake griddle to 350. You can use a regular pan for this, it doesn't matter. And then whisk the eggs and buttermilk together in a bowl. Add the flour, baking soda, salt, and sugar. Whisk until mixed together. And then rub the butter in a circle on the griddle or pan and drop 1/2 cup of butter into the butter spot. They said that they like to use an ice cream scoop for this, so you can also do that. And then as soon as the butter hits the griddle, level it out and smooth it quickly into a circle, like all other pancakes. And then flip when the second bubble pops. This will take about 2 minutes on most griddles. Flip the pancake and cook on the second side until no longer doughy. And then every after pancake, you must butter your pan again. So that's basically it. You can toss some additional butter and some maple syrup or your favorite fruits, raspberries or strawberries for additional flavor.